in this one, we need to write a program that takes as input 3 integers, a, b, c, from the console and determine if they can be used in a correct arithmetic formula, which are given here in order. Okay, to do that, first I'm going to write a function, check arithmetic, and it's going to take a as an integer, b again an integer, and c an integer. Okay, and let's think about what it's going to return while we write the function. First, I'm going to check if this condition is fulfilled, but we need to write equal c. And if it is, then we can just return some statement that these numbers can be used for this operation. Okay, so I'm going to do, or better, since the numbers can be used for multiple operations, let's store a results list, which is going to have a list of strings with all what we want to print. And here I'm going to do results.append, and I'm going to put in a string, an f string, because I'm going to put a, b, c can be used in the operation. And okay, this is the first thing we need to return. Now we're going to check all other operations. For this one, I have to check if a is equal to b minus c, and here I need to write okay, and the other one is going to be if a times b is equal to c. Okay, and in the end I need to return a list of strings, or let's make it list type hint. So from typing import list. And also we need to think about the case when none of these are fulfilled. So if not results, so if the list is empty because we haven't appended any of these strings, we need to append that, well, let's copy the numbers, and we can say cannot be used in any operation. And in the end, we simply return results. Now we need to run this as a script. It's a Python script, so I'm going to do if name equals to main. And in here, first I'm going to get an input for a, enter number a, and I'm going to go to a new line. I'm going to do the same for b and for c. So instead of a here, we want b, and here we want c. Okay, and then we do results equal to check arithmetic, and we give a, b, and c. And we want for every result to print it. Okay, let's try to run this. This is 126. Let's enter 5, 4, and 20. Of course, because the inputs are all strings, so we need to convert them into integers. Let's do that here. Int b and int c. Okay, so now we converted them from strings into integers. 5, 4, 20, and yeah, that's it. We can also try it again with numbers that don't fulfill any. So 6, 6, 6 cannot be used in any operation. That's it for this exercise.